Hi everyone, how are you? Welcome to my channel Old Coins Library, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of coins, currency, and collectibles. I'm Afzal, your guide on this exciting journey through history, value, and the stories behind some of the most intriguing items you can find. In today's video, we're going to explore the story behind this little gem, the 1989-41-9 Dirham, 1995 to 4115. Duram in 2014 to 1435. Duram Saudi Arabia old coins. Coins that were minted in smaller quantities or have unique features/errors can be more valuable. Coins that are sought after by collectors tend to have higher values. Historical significance. Coins with historical significance or stories can also fetch higher prices. We'll uncover its history, examine its design, and see why it might be a valuable addition to your collection. So, if you're a coin enthusiast, a history buff, or just curious about the treasures you might find in your pocket change, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss an episode. Now, let's get started. First, the 1 Dirham coin is a significant piece of Saudi Arabian currency. Minted in 1989, this coin has a unique blend of historical and cultural value. First, let's talk about the physical characteristics of the coin. The 1989 1 Dirham coin is made of nickel and has a diameter of 23.5 millimeters. It weighs 5.5 grams, making it a relatively lightweight coin. On the obverse side, you'll find the emblem of Saudi Arabia, which features 2 cross swords and a palm tree. This emblem symbolizes strength and prosperity. Above the emblem, there's an inscription in Arabic that reads Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Below the emblem, you'll find the year the coin was minted, 1989, as well as the Islamic calendar year, 1409. The value of the 1989 Saudi Arabian 1 Dirham coin can vary based on its condition, rarity, and demand among collectors. Here are some general guidelines. Average circulated condition, $1 to $5. Uncirculated or near mint condition, $5 to $10 plus USD. Factors that influence the value include the coin's physical state, wear and tear, any unique markings or errors, and the current market demand among numismatists. Coins in pristine condition or with rare features tend to fetch higher prices. Now, let's flip the coin to the reverse side. Here, you'll see the denomination of the coin, 1 Dirham, written in Arabic. Surrounding the denomination, there's a beautiful geometric design that adds to the coin's aesthetic appeal. This intricate design is a hallmark of Islamic art, reflecting the rich cultural heritage of Saudi Arabia. On the obverse side, you'll find the emblem of Saudi Arabia, featuring 2 cross swords and a palm tree. This emblem symbolizes strength and prosperity. Above the emblem, there's an inscription in Arabic that reads Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Below the emblem, you'll find the year the coin was minted, 1989, along with the Islamic calendar year, 1409. Now, let's flip the coin to the reverse side. Here, you'll see the denomination of the coin, 1 Dirham, written in Arabic. Surrounding the denomination, there's a beautiful geometric design that adds to the coin's aesthetic appeal. The 1989 1 Dirham coin is not just a piece of currency, it's a piece of history. Saudi Arabia's monetary system has evolved over the years, and this coin represents a snapshot of the country's economic development during the late 20th century. In the 1980s, Saudi Arabia was experiencing rapid economic growth thanks to its oil reserves. The country's currency, including the 1 Dirham coin, played a crucial role in facilitating trade and commerce during this period. Collectors and enthusiasts often seek out the 1989 1 Dirham coin for its historical significance and unique design. It's a reminder of Saudi Arabia's rich heritage and its journey towards modernization. Whether you're a seasoned numismatist or just starting your coin collection, the 1989 Saudi Arabian 1 Dirham is a fascinating piece to add to your collection. Second, the 1 Dirham coin from the year 1995, also marked as 1415 in the Islamic calendar. Saudi Arabia, known for its rich history and cultural heritage, has a currency system that reflects its unique identity. The Saudi riyal is the official currency, subdivided into 100 halalas, and the dirham is an important denomination within this system. The 1 Dirham coin minted in 1995 or 1415 according to the Islamic calendar, is a striking example of Saudi Arabian numismatics. Let's take a closer look at its design and features. On the obverse side of the coin, we see the emblem of Saudi Arabia, which consists of a palm tree with two crossed swords beneath it. This emblem symbolizes prosperity and strength, core values of the kingdom. The value of a 1 dirham coin from Saudi Arabia, minted in 1995, 1415 in the Islamic calendar, depends on several factors including its condition, rarity, and demand among collectors. Generally, the value can vary based on coins in mint condition, uncirculated, are worth more than those that are worn or damaged. Rarity. Coins that are harder to find tend to be more valuable. Historical and collectible value. Sometimes, historical significance or demand among collectors can increase a coin's value. As of now, the 1 dirham 1995 to 1415 Saudi Arabian coin typically has a modest value, often ranging from a few dollars to around $10, depending on its condition and the market demand. To get an accurate valuation, you can refer to coin collectors' guides, visit a coin dealer, or check online marketplaces like eBay to see recent sale prices for similar coins. The reverse side of the coin features the denomination 1 dirham, written in Arabic script. Surrounding the denomination are inscriptions indicating the year of minting in both the Gregorian and Islamic calendars, 1995 and 1415 respectively. This coin is made of copper nickel, a common material for coins due to its durability and resistance to corrosion. The 1 dirham coin weighs approximately 6 grams and has a diameter of 23 millimeters, making it easy to handle and use in everyday transactions. The 1 dirham coin plays a significant role in the daily lives of people in Saudi Arabia. It's used in various transactions, from shopping at local markets to paying for public transportation. This coin is not just a piece of metal. It's a part of the country's economic fabric. In conclusion, the 1 dirham 1995 to 1415 Saudi Arabian coin is a small yet significant artifact that tells us a story about the culture and economy of Saudi Arabia. Whether you're a numismatist or just curious about foreign currencies, this coin is a fascinating piece to add to your collection. Third, the 1 dirham coin 1435 to 2014. The 1 dirham coin from the United Arab Emirates, UAE, dated 1435 to 2014, is an interesting piece of currency that reflects the region's rich history and economic development. Here are the detailed features and information about this coin. Denomination: 1 dirham. Year: 1435, Islamic calendar, /2014, Gregorian calendar. Composition: copper nickel. Weight: approximately 6.4 grams. Diameter: 24 millimeters. Thickness: 1.9 millimeters. The obverse side of the coin features a traditional Arabic coffee pot, known as a dala. This symbol is significant in Arab culture, representing hospitality and the centuries-old tradition of serving coffee to guests. The Arabic inscription around the design reads Al-Imarat Al-Arabiyyat Al-Muttahidati, United Arab Emirates. The reverse side of the coin includes the denomination in both Eastern Arabic numerals and English, along with the year of minting in both the Islamic and Gregorian calendars. The inscription in Arabic numerals reads Wahid Dirham, 1 dirham, and in English 1 dirham. Below the denomination, the dates 1435, Islamic year, and 2014, Gregorian year, are inscribed. The dirham has been a key part of the UAE's currency system since the country's formation in 1971. The 1 dirham coin is commonly used in everyday transactions. The depiction of the dala on the coin highlights the importance of coffee culture in the UAE and the broader Arab world. It symbolizes the country's heritage and the value placed on hospitality. The exact mintage numbers for the 2014 dirham might not be readily available, but it is generally a widely circulated coin. While the 1 dirham coin is primarily of face value, well-preserved coins, or those with unique minting errors, can be of interest to collectors. The 1 dirham coin is one of the most frequently used coins in the UAE, used for various small transactions such as purchasing snacks, paying for parking, and more. The UAE dirham is pegged to the US dollar, which provides stability to the currency and makes the 1 dirham coin a reliable unit of currency in daily life. The 1 dirham coin of 1435 to 2014 encapsulates a blend of tradition and modernity, reflecting the UAE's respect for its cultural heritage while also serving the practical needs of its contemporary economy. Located in Canada, this mint is known for its high-quality coin production. Based in the United Kingdom, it is one of the oldest and most renowned mints globally. Also located in the United Kingdom, this mint has a long history of producing coins for various countries. Situated in Slovakia, it is one of the oldest mints in the world, with a reputation for quality coinage. The text on the coin includes the denomination 1 Dirham and the country's name in Arabic script. The reverse side also features the country's name in English. Over the years, there have been special issues and variations of the 1 Dirham coin to commemorate significant events or anniversaries. These special coins are often sought after by collectors. The 1 Dirham coin is widely used in everyday transactions within the UAE. It plays a crucial role in the economy, facilitating small purchases and cash transactions. While the 1 Dirham coin is common in circulation, certain editions, especially those from earlier years or with minting errors, are valuable to collectors. Special commemorative issues also attract interest from numismatists. The 1 Dirham coin of the UAE represents a blend of cultural heritage and modern economic needs. Its design and specifications have evolved, but it continues to be an essential part of the UAE's currency system. The coin's history, minting locations, and variations contribute to its significance both in daily use and among collectors. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Saudi Arabia currency. We hope you've enjoyed learning about these fascinating coins and the stories they carry. Stay tuned for more insights into the world of numismatics and cultural history.